Hello, everyone. Are you wondering about the average salary for a Python programmer in the United States? Let's explore. The average annual gross salary for a Python programmer in the United States is approximately $120,900, which translates to a monthly gross income of about $10,075. After accounting for federal taxes, the annual net income is roughly $94,000, or about $7,833 per month. Location significantly impacts earnings. For instance, in Los Angeles, California, Python programmers earn an average salary of $160,000 per year, while in Orlando, Florida, the average salary is approximately $85,000 annually. Experience also plays a role. Entry-level Python programmers with less than 1 year of experience earn about $81,625 annually, while those with over 7 years of experience can earn up to $150,000 per year. Education and specialized skills can further influence earnings, with higher qualifications potentially leading to increased pay. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.